Hey everyone, welcome to our video update on Chainlink today. Before I get started, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. This market is extremely risky and volatile. You're responsible for your own trades, managing your own risk, doing your own research, and this is just my opinion on the market. All right, so this will probably be a pretty quick update today because there's not a whole lot to discuss, but a couple things that I do want to look at here. First off is we do have a slight uptick in volume, which is important. We've been talking about needing volume for a while. Also, we have broken the horizontal trend line that we've been paying attention to for a long time, around 285, 290. So that has been broken, and from a macro perspective, so we go out to say like a daily time frame. This looks really good. This does look really good. Of course, I was I was sort of hoping that we would come down here to these levels and I'd be able to pick up something at the daily 55 exponential, something like that. But it doesn't look like, unfortunately, that that's going to happen. We saw the resistance here. We saw kind of a flip of support there. So I suppose this was probably the opportunity. Opportunity is gone, at least for the time being. Since we have broken up and out of this, I would hesitate buying down here unless we see a good reaction. But with the price finally breaking through that 285 level, which again, we were kind of talking about this, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, we were talking about that 285 where that was the level that we were looking to sell, and now we've broken through that. So now what I'm looking for, I am looking for a position on a retest of either 285 to 295. Probably will be interested in layering buys here because as we've broken out of this with even just a slight uptick in volume, we can see here the volume. We're increasing in volume over the last few days, which is also good. Good to see that. And I guess also if we go back to an hourly, at least the last 8 hours, we have seen a decent amount of volume. So of course yesterday when I was doing the video, we were back here at 285, right? So we had a little bit of a rejection. We tested this 21 exponential, and now we're going back up. And I do expect we're probably going to come back down here to retest this 21 exponential. I'm here at about 290, and that would be where I am looking to get back, or yeah, I guess back into a position. I haven't been in one in Chainlink for a long time. I've just been sort of waiting for this to resolve, and now that we've finally broken out with a decent bit of volume, and I haven't really seen any bearish divergence on at least the hourly, so I'd be more than happy to take a position down here at 290. Probably will be layering bids from 295 to 292, then finally at 288 to 290. So in this level, I'll be looking to layer bids. I think the risk is pretty minimal down here. And of course, this is going to be sort of the buy box and be looking to layer in some bids down here. Stop loss would probably be on a clean break of 285. We've been talking about 285 for a long time. So therefore, if we break 285, chances are we will be rolling over, and this will have just been a bull trap. But I'm more than happy to take a position down here. And to manage my risk, again, probably at this 55 exponential, which is at 283, and that 55 exponential is going to be continuing to move up as time goes by. Right now, the Stokes on the hourly, we have a fresh cross to the downside. I'm not sure if we're going to get all the way down here to the bearish control zone and then get a rejection out of there. But nonetheless, I do expect that we will probably, over the next, maybe day or so, we have this move down here, and then we're going to probably have another move up, and then we're going to get this move down. Likely that will be where we get into our buying scenario, and that will also allow these stochastics to kind of curl down, to kind of reset a little bit, because right now they are. It is in the bullish control zone, but we are overbought. If I threw the RSI on here, chances are this is also looking to be a little rejection. So, get some time for these to reset themselves. We have a market top that has been detected up here. Once we get an indication of a market bottom, which we were seeing back here, but we were ignoring because it looked like we were going to break this trend. Once we get another market bottom, which I'm expecting again to happen anywhere between 290 to 295, that would be where I would be looking to take on more spot positions to the upside. because this does look like at this point that that we're going to be moving up. So I am cautiously bullish on this. I will be taking a position down here in this green box. I'll be layering positions. Probably have some smaller buys up here at the top, the larger buys down here at the bottom, then managing my risk at the 55 exponential on the hourly. So I told you I'd keep it quick today. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you want to be a member of our Discord community, it doesn't cost you anything. Just throw in a comment. I'll get an invite. I've got a couple invites that I have to throw out. Also, we had really good conversations yesterday on our Discord server. We had sort of a group session where we were going through different strategies. We call it an AMA, but it was really good. It's not a one-sided conversation. We actually had some good collaboration talking about crypto, forex, and other things as well, gold and silver. So it was really good, and we would like to have you there. So yeah, just join our Discord if you'd like to be part of those discussions. And otherwise, I will catch you all later. Have a good day, everyone.